Now we're going to look at the same election as we had in the prior problem, except we're going to look at it with a different type of voting method. Here we have our same preference table. Which candidate is favored over all others using a head-to-head comparison? And then, based on your answer to the previous question, is the head-to-head criterion satisfied? So we're going to begin by looking at head-to-head comparisons, which means we're going to look at A versus B to start with. Now we're going to determine, in relation to A and B, which one's ranked above the other in each column. In our first column, A is ranked above B, and so A would receive the 1,500 votes. In our second column, B is ranked above A, and so B would receive the 1,000 votes. And in our last column, B is ranked above A, and that would give B another 1,000 votes. That is going to give us a total of 2,000 votes for B and 1,500 votes for A, meaning that B would be declared the winner in this pairing. Let's now look at A versus C. In our first column, A is ranked above C, so we'll put the 1,500 votes under A. In our second column, A is ranked above C, so we'll give A the 1,000 votes from that column. In our last column, C is ranked above A, so we'll give the 1,000 votes to C. We'll have 2,500 votes for A and 1,000 votes for C, giving A this win. And finally, let's look at B versus C. In our first column, B would be ranked above C, giving B the 1,500 votes. In our second column, B is ranked above C, giving B the 1,000 votes. In our last column, C is ranked above B, giving C 1,000 votes. So we have 2,500 votes for B and 1,000 votes for C, giving B the win. Now, we have three candidates. Notice that when B is paired with A, B wins. Notice when B is paired with C, B wins. So B beats both of the other two candidates in head-to-head comparisons. Let's now look at the head-to-head criterion. If a candidate is favored when compared separately, that is head-to-head with every other candidate, then that candidate should win the election. Now let's look back at what happened when we considered this same voting in relation to the plurality method. Notice that in this case, A was the big winner. So what we're noticing is that the plurality method is not going to meet the head-to-head criterion as is specified.